The following are some of the highest repair costs and averages for common repairs on your car, SUV, or truck. These estimates are based on RepairPal.com's data for labor and parts. These estimates are limited to vehicles sold within the past 5 model years. Now, RepairPal is one of the leading providers of auto repair and maintenance information for consumers. I provide a link below, so let's get started. Let's begin with the air conditioning compressor, which usually lasts for about 100,000 miles. If yours fails, remember that AC is not only for comfort, but also for helping remove fog from your windows. Your air conditioning won't work without a functioning compressor. The average cost for all cars nationally is $1,200, but luxury cars can cost 3 or 4 times that. Next, the alternator is driven off the car's engine. It uses the current it produces to charge the vehicle's battery and run electrical systems. If the alternator fails on your out-of-warranty Porsche Cayenne or BMW 7 Series, you're looking at repair costs more than 3 times the national average. That average, $825. Your fuel pump is responsible for delivering fuel from the gas tank to the engine at the appropriate pressure required for performance demands. The fuel pump on most modern vehicles are electric and mounted in the fuel tank. Fuel pumps are not part of a regular maintenance schedule and only need to be replaced when they fail. Most fuel pumps should last well past 100,000 miles. The average cost on all cars is $1,135. Like a coiled snake, a serpentine belt winds through various engine pulleys, powering various systems, usually including power steering and water pumps. Although the belt is likely to need replacement between 90 and 120,000 miles, it's not always an easy repair. Depending on an engine design, it can be a labor-intensive process to replace. The average cost for all cars, not bad, $140. Next, starter replacement. In the case of an Audi RS5 and Porsche Panamera, for example, the starter is hidden away where it's impossible to access without removing other parts first. It's an increasingly common problem as cars get more tightly packed. Since the starter is not going to last as long as the car, it's a repair that will always need to happen. The average cost for all cars is $630. For the Audi RS5, $2,700. Suspensions wear out over time from regular use, so you should budget for repair or replacement if your car has close to 100,000 miles on the odometer. The Porsche Panamera offers an air suspension that promises a smoother ride and more responsive handling than a traditional setup, but it's a complex system made up of expensive parts. That's true for all air suspensions, so keep that in mind if you're shopping for a car that offers one. The average cost for all cars, $937. The Panamera, $4,800. A timing belt is what keeps your engine's valves and pistons moving in sync. If it fails, your engine won't run. Timing belts need to be replaced on or before schedule and usually aren't covered under warranty. If your car has one, the owner's manual should tell you how many miles you can go between replacements. If you're buying a used car with a timing belt, make sure it has been replaced before you buy it, or factor in the cost of replacement when negotiating the price. The average cost for all cars, $679. If your car's water pump fails, your engine could overheat and require a very costly repair, and it's an especially common repair as cars age. A water pump is vital to a car engine's operation because it ensures the coolant keeps moving through the engine block, hoses, and radiator and maintains an optimal operating temperature. The average cost for all cars, $710. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you got a video topic suggestion, subscribe and then leave it in the comment section below. Thank you very much. By the way, I post multiple new videos every week from car reviews, news, tips and advice, and product demos from time to time. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.